tell you and also ask you your opinions as to what you make of this on Mirror Now. While the nation doesn't have a uniform civil code yet, the state of Uttarakhand is preparing to implement the UCC by this year. And the spotlight is on live-in relationships. The report of an expert committee on UCC was uploaded to the state website. Now let's tell you, a panel framing rules for Uttarakhand's Uniform Civil Code is trying to ensure that data provided by live-in couples remains protected, but feels that information about those aged between 18 and 21 should be given to their parents. Just a few days after the Uttarakhand Assembly passed the UCC bill in February this year, the 9-member committee headed by Shatrughan Singh was formed to frame the rules for its implementation, that is. Now, State Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami stated that on receiving the report from the panel, the government will proceed with the aim to implement UCC in the state in October this year. The Uniform Civil Code, passed by the Uttarakhand Assembly in February, makes registration of live-in relationships and marriages mandatory. The President, remember, had given her assent to the same on March 11th. Now, Uttarakhand is the first state in the country after independence to adopt the UCC. In fact, just a few days after the Uttarakhand Assembly passed the UCC bill in February this year, the 9-member committee headed by Singh was formed to frame the rules for its implementation. All right, since we're taking this point also across to our viewers, numbers are of course flashing on your screen, so do call us to let us know what you make of it. But I understand Suruchi, our viewer from West Bengal, has called in. Suruchi, a very good afternoon. Thank you for calling us here and taking out the time. Share with us your perspective. What do you make of it?
Good afternoon. I want to first congratulate Mirror Now for taking up the issue that matter the people the most. In my opinion, I feel the choice entirely lies with the individual. If they are above 18 years of age, they can decide and vote for whichever government they wish to, and it is entirely their prerogative to decide upon whichever partner they want to be with, which may or may not be for a very long term, so they could probably be in a live-in relationship. But to have this in government's knowledge, I would feel it would be violating my privacy. Live-in relationship is something that is private, and I would not want to have it registered with the government.
Right, Suruchi. Thank you very much for sharing with us your perspective, and also thanking the channel for taking this issue up. But essentially what Suruchi from West Bengal does state is that she believes it's a breach of privacy rather, because that is an individual choice in the context of going in for that option of living in with his or her partner. Having said that, let's quickly tell you what this essentially means in the context of this. As far as the Uniform Civil Code in Uttarakhand that is concerned, it essentially puts the spotlight on live-in relationships. But what does this mean also for our viewers to better understand it? My colleague Abhishek draws more perspective on that. Let's take a look.
कल जैसा प्रेस वार्ता में उन्होंने सीधे रूप से जो शत्रुघ्न सिंह हैं, जो कमेटी के सदस्य हैं, उन्होंने इस ड्राफ्ट को तैयार किया है और ड्राफ्ट को कल लोकार्पण किया गया है और उसमें सीधे रूप से कहा गया है कि रजिस्ट्रेशन बेहद ज़रूरी होगा जिसे भी लिविंग रिलेशन में रहना होगा, लेकिन इसमें दो कंडीशन हैं। एक वो कंडीशन है जो 21 साल से नीचे हैं, यानी 18, 19 और 20 साल के हैं युवा, उन लोगों के पेरेंट्स को इत्तला किया जाएगा सबसे पहले। अगर उनकी जानकारी में आता है या वो रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो उनके सबसे ज़्यादा पहले पेरेंट्स को इत्तला किया जाएगा और उसके बाद जो 21 से ऊपर वाले लोग हैं, जो कपल्स हैं, जिनके मामले सबसे ज़्यादा सुनने में आते हैं। और कहीं ना कहीं इसी हित को देखते हुए सरकार ने इस संहिता में 21 साल से ऊपर वालों के लिए एक नियम ये भी बनाया है कि जो उनके सिक्योरिटी है और उनकी तमाम वो चीज़ें हैं जो सिक्रेसी है वो मेंटेन किया जाएगा। देखिए, एक जब हम लोगों ने सवाल पूछा कि क्या ये सूचना के अधिकार के दायरे में भी आएगा, तो उन्होंने सीधे रूप से इस सवाल पे यही बताया था कि जो 21 साल से ऊपर वाले कपल्स हैं उन लोगों की सिक्रेसी मेंटेन की जाएगी, उनको सूचना के अधिकार के शेष से भी बाहर रखेंगे, यानी निजता का हनन नहीं होने देंगे किसी के साथ भी।
Alright, right, that is my colleague Abhishek Sinha drawing things into perspective as to what this move essentially means. But Prakash Reddy, another viewer of ours from Hyderabad, has called in. Mr. Reddy, thank you very much for joining us here this afternoon. Share with us your perspective. In fact, we had a caller, a viewer of ours, saying that she believes it is a breach of privacy. Is that what you also think? Mr. Reddy, if you can hear me, thank you very much for joining us here on Mirror Now. What do you make of it? All right, we'll try going across to Mr. Reddy and more of our viewers. So essentially, if you are, of course, tuned into the show, call us on the numbers that are flashing on your screens right now. That's 0120-6634-616. Let us know your opinion as far as what you make of this. Because like one of our callers did point out, in her opinion, she believes it's a breach of privacy. But how do you essentially look at it? Do you believe there are loopholes, challenges as far as the implementation of the same is also concerned? Is this the need of the hour? What's your overview about the same? Call us, because Mirror Now, of course, would want to know how essentially you're reading into this move as well. But as far as what you're essentially looking at on your screens as well are the key takeaways as far as love in the times of UCC is concerned. But we'll continue to track this as well.